One strategy for finding the greatest common factor of a set of numbers is to list all of the factors of each number and find what they have in common. If you remember that a factor will never be larger than the smallest number in the set, then you can save time by finding the factors of only the smallest number and then using your divisibility rules to determine which factors are also factors of the other numbers. In this set of numbers, 24 is the smallest. So I'm going to save time by finding all of the factors of 24 and determining which factors are also factors of the other numbers. I know that 24 is divisible by 1, as all numbers are. So 1 times 24 equals 24. So 1 and 24 are factors of 24. 24 is an even number, meaning it's divisible by 2. 2 times 12 equals 24. The digits 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, so I know that 24 is a multiple of 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. 24 is also divisible by 4 because 4 times 6 equals 24. 24 is not able to be divided by 5. I'm now on the other side of my factor rainbow because I already have a 6, so my factor rainbow is complete. The next step is to determine which factors of 24 are also factors of the other two numbers, 48 and 36. Because I'm looking for the greatest common factor, I'm going to start with the largest factor of 24, which is 24. If I skip count by 24, I go from 24 to 48. This means that 24 is a factor of 24, and 24 is also a factor of 48. But because my numbers skip over 36, 24 is not a factor of 36. So I go to the next factor, which is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48, and 12 times 2 is 24. Because 12 is a factor of all three numbers, and it's the largest, then it is my greatest common factor. Another strategy for finding the greatest common factor between two numbers is to set them up like a ratio. It doesn't matter which number you use as the numerator and which number you use as the denominator because it will work both ways. The next step is to reduce your fraction by any common factor that both the numerator and the denominator share. 60 and 45 are both divisible by 5. So I'm going to divide both my numerator and my denominator by 5. 60 divided by 5 equals 12. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 12 and 9 both have a common factor still, so we're not done yet. Now we're going to divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 and 4 share no common factors other than 1, so we are done with simplifying our ratios. The next step is to determine what I divided my numerator and my denominator by both times. I divided by 5, and then I divided by 3. Now I'm going to take those numbers and multiply them together. 5 times 3 equals 15. So my greatest common factor of 60 and 45 is 15.